Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I've been reading the comments. I see a lot of you are looking for part-time jobs, more specifically part-time jobs that have flexible hours and are no talking, non-phone based. So that is what I have for you today. I do have 5 jobs in today's video to share with you. 2 of them are full-time, non-phone. The other 3 are going to be part-time. So a little bit of something for everyone, whether you want full-time, whether you want part-time. Hopefully we have you covered in this video. These are not call center customer service jobs. So of course, we're going to dive all into it. I do just ask that if you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, let me know. Give me that direct feedback. You can give this video a thumbs up, like button, leave something in the comments. Share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. And of course, I always welcome comments about what you're looking for. I never make any promises, but I do read those and try to be searching for things to share that people are actually looking for. Now, first up, we have the company Goat Group. They have 177 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a consumer experience specialist. This is remote for the United States. All of these jobs are going to be for the United States. Even though this is a consumer experience or customer service type role, this is going to be non-phone. It's going to be through email and chat, but they're specifically looking for somebody to work 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Zone, including a weekend day. So you've got to make sure that you're okay with those hours. If you're outside of that time zone, convert your hours to see if that works for you. But you're going to provide fast, accurate, and personalized customer support through email and chat with a positive attitude, helping troubleshoot technical issues related to their mobile apps and their website. So you're just going to be flexible, carrying out any kind of assignments as needed, helping the customers with those mobile apps and website. Now, again, I said the first 2 are full-time. This is going to be a full-time position. They're looking for somebody who's a passion for sneakers and technology, someone who is customer-focused. You will go above and beyond to meet the needs of the customers, someone who can be a quick learner, self-starter, great communication skills, and can work in that fast-paced environment. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $15.77 an hour all the way up to $19.71 an hour. Moving right along, this is our second full-time position. The rest after this will be part-time, but we have Yelp hiring. Yelp has 5,100 reviews, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a senior chargeback representative. This is remote for the United States. So they're basically looking for somebody to handle like credit card chargeback type things. So when you make a charge on your credit card and then the company doesn't deliver the promised product, so like instead of being scammed, basically you can do a chargeback or reverse the charge on the credit card. And so these are probably people who've made charges to Yelp and then they need those charges reversed, and so Yelp has to investigate to make sure if the charge was legit or not and respond to like the credit card company. So they're looking for somebody to do these investigations for US and Canadian chargebacks received from Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex, PayPal, all of the different credit card companies. You'll update internal spreadsheets with the incoming chargebacks that are received. So you're going to do a lot of data entry with this job. You're going to submit refund requests for any valid claims, determining holds on client accounts, blocking future purchases, tracking those chargebacks, and updating client accounts on the spreadsheet as needed. So you'll have to chat and respond with current SLAs as needed as well. But what they're looking for is somebody who has prior collections or accounts receivable experience or some kind of banking experience. They do prefer somebody who has prior chargeback experience. It's not required though, as long as you're familiar with banking and credit card concepts. You have familiarity with Google Docs. You will be tested on using Google Docs. You have great like Microsoft Excel, Word skills, Google Docs, all of those basic Word and Excel type programs, and strong communication skills. Now, this one doesn't require a college degree. It says they prefer an associate's degree or some kind of accounting coursework. It's not required though. You do just have to be a team player and be able to work in your house with a quiet environment. Pay for this one is $46,000 a year, all the way up to $70,000 a year, and they include a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, paid time off, all all the things. But moving into the part-time positions, first up we have a part-time positions that lets you set your own hours, so completely flexible. The company is eScribers. They have 56 reviews on Glassdoor. They have an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They're looking for legal proofreaders in the United States. So they are looking for people to join their team to be a part of their proofreaders, hearing transcripts from the courts across the U.S. You're going to have to verify the accuracy of the audio recorded, as well as adhering to strict formatting guidelines. So it looks like you will not only be a proofreader, but maybe a transcriber as well. You're going to be listening to these audio files and making sure that the given transcript is correct, correcting any errors, or maybe transcribing whole pieces of the transcript. They're looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED and can type at least 55 words a minute, great listening skills, and great punctuation skills. But of course, they request somebody who can work at least 20 hours a week, but this is part-time and you set your own schedule working the projects when you have time. So if you're like working through another job, this is like a great part-time side hustle for extra money. And of course, proofreading and transcription work like this is paid on a per page basis. So the amount of money you make is going to be based on how fast you work. They do say you're paid weekly through direct deposit though. Next up, we have the company Publishers Weekly. They only have 18 reviews on Glassdoor, so as always, I urge you to do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do, out of those 18 reviews, though, have a high rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are basically looking for book reviewers. Now, they are paying $25 per review, so the amount of reviews that you do and turn in means how much money you make, so that would be different for everyone. But they are looking for people to basically be freelance book reviewers. So this one, again, you get to set your own hours for traditionally published as well as self-published books. So they're looking for these specific categories. They have them all typed out here, but things like business, personal finance, art, economics, education, history, music, performing arts. If you're interested in reading books in these categories, you might want to sign up to do book reviews for them. You can read the book, write your review, and get paid $25 for every book you read. And last but not least, we have the company CI Web Group. Now again, they only have 28 reviews. Do your own research. They do have a high employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part-time help desk support. Now this is going to be a 1099 contract position, and this one is probably going to include some phone work. But the remainder of all the other positions are completely non-phone. Now for this one, they're looking for somebody to provide technical assistance to the support end users within the organization. You're going to have to troubleshoot hardware and software issues, assist with networking issues, just a basic IT support. This one, though, does really prefer somebody who has a bachelor degree in information technology, computer science, some kind of IT field. They will take relevant certifications in lieu of a degree, as long as you've got proven experience in IT support roles and you can demonstrate that you can troubleshoot and resolve technical issues. You have strong knowledge of computer hardware, software, operating systems, networking concepts, how they all work together, and how one can cause problems for the other. Now, one thing about this job, they did not list pay. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but it does say that you get 3 weeks of paid time off and then a benefit package that includes like medical, dental, vision, all the different benefits. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, as always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.